Hey, let me show you the best features of the Sony WF-1000XM5. So, first of all, the best feature and function is actually the Sony headphones application that you can download completely for free from the Google Play Store on Android devices and from the App Store or any iOS devices like iPhone or iPad. And thanks to this application, we can actually find a lot of different options. So let me quickly take a look. First, when you go for the sound, we can for sure find here the noise cancellation and the ambient mode. And even when you activate the ambient mode, you can simply adjust the strength of this mode by moving this slider. Next, we can also find this function, speak to chat. So when you turn it on and when you basically start talking, it will actually automatically switch to the ambient sound and let you hear someone else's voice. Next, we can also find right here the sound equalizer with the default presets and also with the custom manual and the 1 and 2 custom different options. When we click on the settings icon, we can adjust this equalizer and even boost bass. The next option that we can find right here, it will be this Bluetooth connection quality. So we can get between the stable connection or move to the sound quality. And when you switch to the sound quality, you will be able to turn on the LDAC audio codec. So once you change it, it will be visible right here. So you will don't have AAC, you will actually have the LDAC. Next, we can also find the DSEE Extreme. So it's actually improve this sound quality for some kind of the music format, especially the old music formats. Then we can find the system tab where we can actually find this feature to connect these headphones to two devices at the same time. And we can also use the voice assistant. We can use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, or if you are using the iOS devices, they will be the Siri. Also in these earbuds, we can find the different touch sensor. The touch sensor gestures. For the left and for the right earbud, we can find single tap, double tap, triple tap, continue pressing, and repeat tap to adjust the volume. You can switch between the ambient mode and the playback control. So as you can see, you've got, for example, play and a pause song, next song, previous song. We can launch the voice assistant, and so. We can also find the head gesture. So when you click on this information icon, you can find this simple description. So we can shaking head for incoming calls, nodding to accept, shaking head for reject, and nodding also, nodding yes for shaking. And next, we got also some head gestures. When you click on this information icon, you can find short description of each head gesture. You can turn it on by clicking on this feature. Next, you can also go and update software. So it will also bring us new features or improve current available functions. And when you go for some services, you can find another useful options. Like for example, you can enable Spotify Tap or Amazon Music Play Now. So this is it for this video. For me, this is actually all the best features that you can use on the Google Pixel 8a. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.